This is day 4 of micro combine. I'm trading micro S&P mini. It's 4 days in. All 4 days have been fine. I was down slightly on the 11th, but despite my profitability trading micros, there are still some issues that I'm seeing, and it needs to be resolved as I go forward. The good news is that because I'm trading micros, it's harder to hit your daily loss limit. So it's allowing me to find more triggers and more behaviors that I can sit with and journal about and try to figure out where it's coming from and how to disrupt that pattern. So this is my balance, roughly a little over 30% there. One thing I'm noticing is that I have a higher average winning trade than losing trade, but my win rate is very low. I think this should be more at like 60% with the same stats. And I think that's a result of having a loss and then getting right back in the market. That might be coming from not wanting to be wrong, or admitting that I'm wrong, trying to make back losses. Yeah, and impatience for sure. So I wrote some of that stuff down in my journal. I am holding my winners longer than my losers every single day. And that is because I have a pretty tight stop, which also could be contributing to a low win rate. So I might have an idea and get stopped out a few times before it actually moves. So I might need to be moving my stop a little bit more, which shouldn't be a problem because I'm trading micros. So I might try that out tomorrow. But my P&L low for every single day has been not good. It's been up and down. So I also need to work on limiting my downside, and I'm trading just way too much. 460 micros is a joke. 94 today was a little bit better, but that is absolutely unnecessary. 38. Oh, that was the 10th. Today was 198. So I need to be working on that. And then in terms of what that looks like, which sometimes or areas it's not as chaotic, but I'll show you a time where it is. So I get short here, stopped, short, basically scratch, scratch again, scratch this, long, long, took a loss there. And then I think actually maybe, I don't know what this was. See, I should be able to even look at my trades and figure out what I was doing. But I know here that I got short finally, got short and cover, scratch, got short again, and then covered. And then it seems to be fine when I'm up. I can kind of wait it out. But then when I come back to it, long stop, long, couple ticks. I got short, long stop, long add, cover. And then I immediately short. And this is like 2 minutes. I am not waiting long enough. So, and then look at this. I mean, it is just all over the place. So I need to come up with something that stops that. But nonetheless, overall, good progress with the combine so far, but some things that really need to be modified. Looking at tomorrow. So we gapped down in the overnight session. I have a position on in my other combine. I'm trading minis, and I hit my daily loss limit, and now I'm almost to my daily upside limit because I took some stuff off here. But I am finding that micros is much better for me. So I thought we could break out today. This is the previous month value low. There's a level here at 55.28. Let's go even further. This is this month's volume profile. The last few days have been inside days, not a lot of range compared to what we've been seeing. FOMC is tomorrow, or Fed Chair Powell is speaking. So we'll see how that goes. I have no idea. I typically don't trade numbers or Fed meetings. I'll watch it and maybe trade a little after to see if the market has direction. But I do think that these levels down here could be taken out on a daily. We've retraced between the 61.8 and 76.4. Overall, I think the market can come down, and then I'm looking for these upside levels to be touched. I think 56 is in play if the market has some upside to it, and then 58.42 above that. This 56 level is coming from here, and we've kind of traded. I'm going to remove that actually. Just put right here as a marker. But yeah, we'll see how the minutes go tomorrow. And trade from there, but I'll be on in the morning. But that's my update for day 4.